Good morning, everyone. My name is Sunil, and by profession, I am a male nurse. I am proud to be working in a reputed cancer hospital. During my time in the hospital, I've observed something important. Some patients do not respond well to treatment. This made me think deeply about a critical question. Why does the body respond to treatment in some cases and not in others? I discussed this with senior doctors and colleagues, and from our conversations, I discovered what I now call the 100% effective treatment formula. That is, body-positive response right treatment. Let's break this down. Part 1. What is the right treatment? When we go to the hospital, doctors follow a step-by-step process. 1. They ask about your main complaint, why you've come. 2. They check your signs and symptoms. 3. They take your medical, surgical, and family history. 4. Based on all this, they recommend relevant tests. Blood tests, X-ray, sonography, CT scan, MRI, PET scan. In special cases, biopsy for cancer, ECG or 2D echo for cardiac issues. Once they analyze your reports and history, the doctor makes a diagnosis and starts your treatment, which can be medical, medicines, surgical, correcting anatomical problems, radiological, like radiotherapy for cancer, or even a combination of these. Doctors are highly educated and experienced. They prescribe the right medicine in the right dose through the right route. That's their 40% of the job done with utmost precision. Part 2. What about the body's response? Now comes the most crucial part, your body's response to treatment. In many cases, this response determines whether you recover or not. After deep analysis, I found that 2 key factors affect body response. 1. Genetic factors, which we cannot change. 2. Lifestyle factors, which we can change. So, what is lifestyle? Lifestyle is the way you live, your daily habits, food, exercise, sleep, thoughts, and environment. But unfortunately, many people follow an unhealthy lifestyle. Bad habits like smoking, tobacco, alcohol, poor diet, high in salt, sugar and oil, low in nutrition, chips, fries, samosas, high fat, low nutrients, soft drinks, high sugar, zero vitamins, instant noodles, packaged snacks, processed, low in fiber, white bread, cakes, refined flour, no real nutrition street food, often unhygienic and unsafe, no physical activity, just eating, sleeping, and sitting, disturbed sleep, no fixed sleeping or waking time, careless thinking, nothing will happen to me, I'll deal with it later. Can we change our lifestyle? Yes, starting today. Let's begin small but meaningful steps. Walk at least 10,000 steps per day. Practice yoga, meditation, dance, or Zumba. Quit smoking, tobacco, alcohol. Fix your sleep cycle. Sleep early, wake up early. Change your mindset. Something can happen to me too. I can also fall sick. I need to be ready to face any illness. Say no to junk food, sugary drinks, fried snacks, extra salt, packaged and processed food. Say yes to balanced diet, healthy fat, fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals. Eat unsaturated fat. What about supplements? Supplements are products you take to fill nutritional gaps in your diet. People use supplements to boost energy, immunity, and recovery for specific health goals, e.g., weight loss, stress relief, hair growth. During pregnancy, old age, or illness, when the body needs more support, remember, supplements are not medicine, but they support your health when your food is not enough. If you want to know more about the right supplements, feel free to contact me. Our body. A cellular machine. Your body is made up of organs like the brain, liver, pancreas, kidneys, intestines. Each organ is made of tissues, and tissues are made of cells. So if your cells are healthy, your organs function properly, and your body responds better to treatment. That's why I now focus on cellular nourishment therapy, CNT, a powerful approach to keep our cells healthy through nutrition and supplements. For more details on CNT, please feel free to call me. Once again, I'm Sunil, a nurse dedicated to your well-being. You can reach me at 97020-69125. Let's work together towards a healthier lifestyle and stronger recovery. Thank you.